Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial for the Ultimate YouTube Creator Notion template. First, what you're going to want to do is write your script, and you can write it in that page that I just clicked on. And if you're writing it in Notion, I would recommend, if you're doing paragraphs, if you're doing breaks, I would hold Shift and then Enter so it creates it in one block. That will be important. So what we're going to want to do is we'll just copy this text over back into here, and we're going to paste it. And due to some limitations of Notion, you're going to have to turn it into a numbered list. And we do this numbered list so it's easy to break up the text for shot listing. So let's say that this first sentence, these first two sentences, you know you're going to be on camera. But right here, it starts talking about, let's say, a product that you're reviewing. So you mention that product and you are going to want to show a close-up of that product. So we're just going to click right here and hit enter, and it's going to create a new number. And then let's say that you want to create, probably add a shot right here. So we have 3 shots that we can do, and we're just going to copy and paste that into there. Let's take this, copy, paste it into there, and we'll take the third one and copy it into the shots. The next thing we're going to want to do is we'll just write, we'll do some visual descriptions of these types of shots. So we wanted this to be close up on the mug, and then maybe this one you wanted it to be like an overhead shot of a mug that you are reviewing. Then you can break it up by shot type. So we know this is talking head, so it's a wide talking. This is going to be a close-up, and this is going to be an overhead shot. Roll type, you can change that just between A and B roll, and that'll just help you filter in the future, so we know that this is A roll, it's you talking. These 2 shots are going to be B roll. So if you ever need to just organize by B-roll, if you need to organize by shot type, and then we have location. So we know that this is going to be at our desk, but these 2 shots are going to be on the kitchen island. And now this next part is important. It's important that you put the shoot date, because then it will add it to down here to the shooting schedule if you want to schedule out your shots. So let's say that we are shooting on the 14th. And we can include time, and if we include time, it can automatically add it to correctly to the shooting schedule. So we want to start at 9 a.m. and this will adjust, and this is now 9 a.m. So it's 9 to 9:15 a.m. We can do the same down here. We can include the time, and you can adjust it down here and it'll adjust up here, or vice versa. They're all linked. All 3 of these blocks are linked, so they adjust themselves however you want. So just do it however you think is best. But this next shot, let's start it at 9:30. And then we have this one here. And so it pops up, and so yeah, it takes 15 minutes to shoot your talking head, and then it'll take maybe 15 minutes to set up. So at 9:30, you're ready to shoot again. So you can adjust that here. You can even move this over, and it will change up here. So you can adjust that pretty easily, and it's pretty much all automatic. Now, this next part is just the storyboards. So if you want to include storyboards that you either draw out or you find pictures online. So what I did is I just found pictures online, and in this page there is an image. It's not loading right now, but it's down here. And so this is just like an easy way to visualize and see if you want to bring in some inspiration from Google or wherever, you can do that. So next would be the post-production schedule. This schedule is pretty basic. It's set up to just be on like a per project basis. So you're welcome to bring in another linked calendar or something if you want. This is just set up for per project. So, let's do 2 editing days, and then we want to post on Friday the 21st. Then you have your thumbnail. So this is a place where you can bring your thumbnail that you create in Photoshop or Canva or whatever, and just have it here, add the image, then you have it saved across all of your devices. And this is a section where you can just have your description. This is a place where you could easily write out your description, but also keep the things that always stay in your descriptions of your videos. So all your social media accounts that you link to, your merch, your affiliate links, whatever. Next is just some little things up here that you might want to keep track of. So especially a to-do list and, miscellaneous thoughts, things that are per video. So if you need to email someone for a potential sponsorship for this video, or if you need some VO work or something from Fiverr done, you could have a schedule for that. And then just miscellaneous thoughts on the video while you're doing some changes or breaking up things, shot ideas that doesn't have to be set in stone down here. And then video goals that you want to reach with the video, and your current subscriber count. So when you look back at your older videos, you can see how you've progressed. Well, that is everything. Thank you for watching, and see you later.